How to download and install WhatsApp on your mobile phone. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily download WhatsApp on your mobile phone. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. WhatsApp is a messaging app from Meta which you can download on both iOS and Android device. For that, first open up your Google Play Store and then simply search for WhatsApp and then hit enter. Now you'll find with this WhatsApp Messenger right here. I already have this app on my device, so I'm just going to show you by downloading other one, which is WhatsApp Business. This is typically for the ones who run business and have to communicate to a lot of customers. So I'm just going to show you guys how to install it. So just tap on it and it will start installing on your device. And wait for it to completely install. And once that is done, you will have to provide your phone number that's connected to your account. And then just enter the phone number on your WhatsApp. Then you will be logged into your account and you can start chatting from there. So now once the app has been installed, tap on open. Now from here, tap on agree and continue. And here you will just have to provide your phone number and continue with it and you will be logged in. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.